I just made my sister's childhood favorite, green dragon chicken wings. Let me show you how I make them. For this recipe, I used 1.5 pounds of chicken wings, but you could use your favorite chicken. Season it lightly with some adobo and some pepper, or some just garlic powder and pepper. I added 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce and 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. I'm showing the brands because I realized that not all brands are the same. Some are saltier than others, so you might have to do a little adjusting. And just toss to combine. Season it again on the other side. If I was going to do it again, I would just use garlic powder and pepper because the soy sauce and the oyster sauce are salty enough. I added another teaspoon of soy sauce and 2 teaspoons of brown sugar and mix to combine. I let it sit for about 10 minutes and then I realized that this is really flavorful and I don't really need to marinate it for too long. So I just put it to cook in the air fryer at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. I set it at 30, but I did check on it and it took about 25 minutes alternating in the air fryer. While the chicken was cooking, I cooked the marinade for 2 minutes in the microwave to use again, and I made some adjustments. I added 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of water, and the drippings from cooking the chicken, and it was a perfect glaze for the top. This smells and tastes amazing. I hope you try this recipe. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Take care till next time. Happy cooking.